Let me finish my homework before going to bed. Oh no, what's this? Write the statement, Earth is round in shape 100 times. No, I can't. What's wrong with my teacher? Why is she giving such hard homework?
Hey, Aadi, why are you crying? I have an idea to help you.
What is it, Gogu?
Try this.
No, dear. How can words be multiplied by a number?
That's possible in Python. Try it out.
Wow, it's magic. But I'm still confused. If I use the multiplication sign with numbers, it multiplies them, but with words, it gives a different result. Why?
Your teacher will explain it to you.
Thanks, Gogu. Good night.
Hey friends, have you finished your homework?
Yes, I wrote the statement, Earth is round in shape 100 times.
I think our teacher wants to test us. It must be something different. What about you, Aadi?
Yes, but I'm not sure if the teacher will appreciate it.
Good morning, kids.
Good
Good morning, teacher.
Are ready with your homework?
Sorry, teacher.
I did it.
I did it too, but I'm not sure if it's correct.
No worries, let's check. Very good, Aadi. This is exactly what I expected. Colleen, you put in a lot of effort, and I appreciate that. But Python can help you do it in a few seconds. Let me show you the trick. If we write this in Python, it will print Earth is round in shape 100 times. There's a special meaning for /n, but we'll learn about that later.
But why does the multiply sign work differently with numbers and text?
The star sign means multiply. When we say print 5 multiply 100, the computer treats it as a math problem and gives us 500. But when we put any value in quotes, it's treated as text. So print A multiply 100 means print the letter A 100 times, like A, over and over.
Imagine writing A that many times by hand.
Interesting.
Now you can finish homework fast as Flash.
Hello, friends! Today, Aadi used Python to solve a tricky homework. You can do it too. Just keep practicing your coding skills with us.